Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in to On The Glow, your guide to skincare, beauty, and wellness right here on She Connects. So today I wanted to share my makeup routine for this look. I would describe it as a natural, on the glow, daily look using only clean beauty products. And these are some of my current faves that I'm excited to dive into and try on for you guys. This look takes under 10 minutes, very easy, but I did up the ante a little bit by using a little bit more foundation than I normally do because, hey, we're still in quarantine mode, so I'm not usually out and about lately, and I'm also a new mom, so I'm very limited to wearing makeup. When I have a chance, I love to get all glammed up. I'm excited for this look. Let's get into it. I always make sure my skin is prepped and hydrated first. I then apply lip moisturizer, which has skin healing and hydrating ingredients like papaya extract, shea butter, and jojoba oil. I now give my eyes a base. I start with Westman Atelier's Vital Skin Foundation Stick in Atelier 10 shade to brighten up my eyelids. I feel like it's a great way to help set eyeshadow on my eyelids, and somehow I feel like it lasts longer. Then I go in with one of my favorite palettes, Perez's Beautiful Day to Night collection. By the way, I had noticed that the colors are not in its exact order because I dropped the palette before. Good thing is, the powder didn't break. It's just a pretty selection of natural shades and gold shimmers that I use for my everyday look. One of their star ingredients is chamomile flower, a traditional herbal remedy which has anti-inflammatory properties. Back with Westman Atelier's foundation stick, the same shade that I used to brighten up my eyelids, I now use this to highlight the key areas of my face, from my forehead to my chin, as well as brighten my under eyes. And then it's time to blend. Next, I use another shade of Westman Atelier's Vital Skin Foundation Stick. This is closer to my skin tone in Atelier 11. I use this to even out my skin by using my Real Technique blending brush. I just want to say that I rarely use cream foundations, but this one was sent to me by the brand, and it's truly the best clean foundation I've tried so far. It's luxurious, it's creamy, it's so easy to apply on the skin. It's formulated with active ingredients to combat redness, calm irritation, even out complexion, and boost moisture. There are no silicones, no parabens, no talc, synthetic fragrances, and more. By the way, I just want to clarify this is not sponsored. I'm just loving this and I'm obsessed with their products. Next, I go back with the Perez palette, taking the dark brown shade and lining the color under my eyes for a little contouring. I then go in for my Inika Organic Brow Perfector. I use a brush to fill and shape my eyebrows because I find the application has excess product. It's 100% natural brow shaper in the shade Walnut. Time to make my eyes pop even more with Well People's Expressionist Volumizing Mascara, a plant-based formula which offers fuller, thicker, and flake-free lashes. For my cheeks, I use Westman Atelier's Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in Doo Doo Warm Rose. This is a multi-purpose stick for cheeks, lips, and lids. I then add some more hydration and vibrancy on my lips with RMS's signature set Mod Collection. Final step is to add dewier glow on my cheekbones with Westman Atelier's Lit Up Highlight Stick. I hope I applied it correctly. It's a translucent gel highlight which encourages collagen production. Can't say no to that youthful glow. So I hope you guys like this look. I would, of course, truly appreciate your feedback. Share some of your favorite green beauty, clean beauty products that are out there. I'm always curious to try and, of course, create content on this channel. And I just truly want to say that I appreciate you guys joining me on this journey. I'm excited to grow this platform, and your feedback is so important to me. So don't forget to like this video, please subscribe, and stay connected with me. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. And remember guys, keep glowing.